And let's bring in NBC News legal analyst Angela Cenedella. Angela, let's start with Trump versus Harvard. Can the administration legally end these federal contracts without, like, almost any notice here?
So my answer to that, my opinion, Gadi, is no. You know, right? With contracts, you can't just cancel them for no reason or for an arbitrary reason. There has to be some sort of legitimate basis to cancel any contract, whether or not you're the government or you are a private party. So what Harvard is likely going to do here, if this happens, is that Harvard is going to argue that their basis here is First Amendment protections, that in itself means that the cancellation of these contracts is an illegitimate basis. So it's not even like there's no legitimate basis. It's that it's actually an illegal, unconstitutional violation of their rights. They are arguing that the administration is retaliating based on how they are choosing to present viewpoints to their students. So they are arguing that this is actually viewpoint discrimination, which then is unconstitutional based on our First Amendment. And then on top of that, there's all sorts of administrative protections. And here their arguments are going to be similar to all of the other lawsuits that Harvard has frankly already filed, which are that you need some sort of due process. An agency can't just arbitrarily or capriciously or suddenly decide to cancel contracts without a hearing, without some sort of due process. They don't always have to have a hearing, but in a case like this, a hearing would be warranted based on the law. And so Harvard has a lot of standing here, Gadi.
Harvard has a lot of standing, and forgive this kind of dumb question, but these are somewhat civil matters between the government and the Harvard institution. What happens if, you know, the government says, yeah, fine, the courts say this, but we're not going to send the money. We're not going to send $100 million.
Yeah, you know, that is something that we've really never experienced. And it's something that the Trump administration has started to do. So we're starting to see how that plays out. But what happens is right now it's just at the lowest level court. And yes, it is a civil matter between the government and between a nonprofit at this point. But then it would escalate, right? So either side would be able then to appeal whatever decision. And then ultimately it could work its way back up to the Supreme Court. We've seen so much extraordinary Supreme Court activity because there's been so much kind of unprecedented action here. So again, something like this could really work its way up to the Supreme Court, Gadi.
Yeah, and I guess re-examine executive power completely. Angela Cenedella, always a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.